I'm Kelly. I'm an esthetician and makeup artist at Ulta Salon and Cosmetics, and I'm going to show you how to use an eyeliner pencil. First thing you want to do is make sure it's sharp. Some pencils, especially if they're a kohl-based pencil, you might want to just kind of warm them to your skin a little bit. It's going to make them go on a whole lot easier. It's close for me. What you actually want to do is you want to work right at the base of the lashes and just kind of work in like a wiggle side-to-side motion. What screws a lot of people up is a lot of times is they try to draw one continuous line across the whole lid. And if you just kind of work side to side and kind of feathering it and connecting it, you're going to get a much softer look. You're also going to get a finer line. And your liner is going to do for you what you want it to do, which is basically make your lash line look thicker. Open for me. So you can see she just has like a really nice thin line there that basically enhances her lash line. Look up for me. Same thing underneath. You just want to get right up under the lashes and just kind of do a wiggle side to side. Just to define the underneath. And you can even just take a little bit and connect it in the outer corner. That really defines the eye. But you want to keep the line really nice and thin, especially underneath. You don't want too thick of a line that's going to really drag down the eye. So easiest thing is just work in a side-to-side motion and kind of feather it together to get a nice soft continuous line instead of drawing one harsh line across the eye. So that's how you would want to apply a pencil eyeliner.